today we are going to start by making the flour. We have our grain mill. The mill that I have and use, it's called a Wonder Mill. I really like this one. I think it works really well. You have your grain mill, and so you want to pop the lid off of that, and you'll see inside, this is where you dump your grain. And then you will want to take your other container, which is where all of the flour gets shot into once it grinds up. You want to take that. It comes with a filter. Pop that baby on top. Then it has this little catcher cup. I'm sure there's a technical name for all of this, but it's a little hard to get on. You have to really kind of push that and snap it. So you want both of the arrows to line up. And then you'll put this lid on your catch container. It has the tube that feeds into the big grinder part. Now this tube, it tucks in like that, and then it opens. You cannot remove it. It does not remove. I did see some posts in other fresh milled flour groups where they somehow got this off to clean it and they couldn't get it back on. So you just want to turn it in and turn it out. So once you have it turned out, you want to, there's a hole on your grinder. You want to go ahead and slide these together, okay? And I will move you so that you can see what this looks like when it's all set up. That's what it should look like. Now, major tip. You have to turn this on before you start dumping in your grain. Otherwise, you're going to clog your machine. And they're pretty expensive. You don't want to clog it. So now we are going to start making our flour. I like to have my setting on pastry. I think it makes the flour a little bit finer. I think it makes my bread just that touch better. I'm sure everybody has their way. On the wheat grinder, there's a pastry setting, a bread setting, and a coarse setting. I do pastry. What you need is a container to store your flour in. You want it to be like the airtight seal, the kind of container you get that good snap. So you need that. And the star of the show are your wheat berries. I am using hard white wheat. It's better for bread. So you'll open your container and you'll start scooping your berries. So, like I said before, so you don't jam your machine, you need to turn it on first. And it does get a little bit loud. So you're just going to see me turn on the machine and start scooping them in. I'm not going to say anything. It's pretty cut and dry. You're smart people. So let me turn you around so that you can watch and see what is going on. Okay, on your mark, get set, go. we'll wait for her to quiet down. So you have to leave it run for a few seconds to get all of those wheat berries out. Now that your wheat berries have been ground, it turned them into flour. It's like magic. I love it every time. So you will go ahead and disconnect that tube. Well, not the tube. Don't take that off. Just disconnect it from the grinder machine. You can open up your lid. It's a little bit messy. I toss it in the sink. And then what you're left with is freshly milled flour that you made yourself. Follow along and we're going to make bread. It's so easy. It's so much fun. It tastes so much better. And there's only a few ingredients, not like the stuff that you get in the store. It's great.